What's the meaning of screening effect?
Ma'am, sorry.
What is the meaning of shielding effect or screening effect?
Ma'am, decrease in effective nuclear charge.
But
Maybe.
I know that effective nuclear charge. Can you tell me the elements of the group 1, Akshita?
Ma'am, hydrogen, lithium.
And then?
Ma'am, beryllium.
Ask your parents to call me. Okay, I am noting down the name. You ask your parents to call me. Okay, Aishwarya, can you tell me what are the group 1 elements? Yes, Aishwarya. Okay, Aman, can you tell me what are the group 1 elements? Why no response? Let me take the attendance. बेटा तुम्हारी क्लास तो बहुत ज्यादा वीक होती जा रही है. अमन तो है ही नहीं. Okay, Akansha, what are the group 1 elements?
Ma'am, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Shall I tell more?
Okay, Akshita is 1 minute. Tell me your roll calls. Arav Grewal absent है. Akansha present. Arav Sharma present. Agnish present.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita present.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshika, camera on है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Sinha present. Aryan, last में करेंगे हम quiz. अब just 15 minutes before. Agnish, sorry. Bhavya.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhavya Bhardwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Daman. Daman.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
Present, ma'am.
Deepika.
Present, ma'am.
Rishan.
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy. Gautam. दोनों गौतम फटाफट बोलो.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
हिमांशु जयंत कनक. हमें देख रही हूँ बेटा मेरे को म्यूट कर रही हूँ.
Present.
हिमांशु जयंत. ओके कनक कुंजल.
present.
मैंने देख लिया. कनक प्रेजेंट. कुंजल काना एब्सेंट है.
Present, ma'am.
लक्ष्य.
Present, ma'am.
लिनॉय प्रज्ञा ऋषभ.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am is present.
प्रज्ञा.
Present, ma'am.
रोहन संकेत.
Ma'am, present. Ma'am.
शाश्वत शिवांश.
Present, ma'am.
श्रेया सिद्धांत शर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धांत जैन. सिद्धार्थ जैन. वनी. Okay. Yes. Now see in the case. मैंने लगा दिया बेटा जिसका था. मैंने नाम भी देख लिए थे साथ साथ. Okay. Now in the case of group, मैं एक बार और भी लूंगी attendance in between. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. अब बेटा प्लीज स्टार्ट करो पढ़ना अगर अभी भी नहीं किया कुछ बच्चों ने. अक्षिता, you have to ask your parents to call me. ठीक है? Now in the case of these elements with the increase in size, the distance from the nucleus increases. If an element is far away from the nucleus, it is easier to remove the electron. So ionization enthalpy means yes.
Can you record the meeting like last time?
Yes. Sorry, I forgot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So in the case of ionization enthalpy, what we know is that on moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. Okay. It means because the distance of the electron from the nucleus increases. So as this distance increases, it becomes easier to remove this outermost electron. Now the second thing is a screening effect. The inner shells. If this is my valence shell, suppose I am taking this is the valence electron. Now this inner shells, they screen the outer, because in the inner shells electrons are present. So these inner electrons do not allow the complete nuclear charge to reach the valence electrons. And this is called as screening effect. Screening effect means the inner electrons do not allow complete nuclear charge to reach outermost or valence electrons. Because the electrons are negatively charged, they are acting as a curtain. So this if nuclear charge does not reach the valence electrons, and this is called as screening effect. Is the point screening or shielding effect is clear to you? And more
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
number of electrons, inner electrons. So more is the screening effect. More is screening effect, less will be the effective nuclear charge. Effect less will be the effective nuclear charge. So this I told you the formula, effective nuclear charge is equal to total nuclear charge minus screening effect. So if the screening effect increases, then the effective nuclear charge decreases. So this is the reason why the ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Is the point clear? And there is no exception here. It simply decreases down the group. Now I was coming to the trend along a period. This topic we had done in the previous class. So now I am telling you the trend along a period. Now I am taking the example of second period elements. These are my second period elements. Second period elements means lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. And the trend is that it is generally increasing with a few exceptions. So you can see that it is increasing from lithium to beryllium. Leave the case of boron, it is exceptional case. Then carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then again there is exceptional case. And then it is increasing. So what we can see is that it is generally increasing with two exceptional cases. Okay, now first we are doing the reason why it is generally increasing. Exceptions then I will be taking afterwards. Okay, so down the group I am rubbing it now.
Ma'am, across a period, screening effect increases or decreases?
It remains same almost. Okay, now I am coming the reason. I told you along the period, ionization enthalpy generally increases. This is what I told you. Now the reason for this. Now first reason is that atomic radii decreases. All of you know, on moving along a period, atomic radii decreases. Why it decreases? Because of the increase in effective nuclear charge. Because of the increase in effective nuclear charge, atomic radii decreases. Now, why? What is the meaning of effective nuclear charge? Again, I am telling you, effective nuclear charge means total nuclear charge minus screening effect. It is because of the increase in effective nuclear charge as screening effect is almost constant. Screening effect is almost constant. Now, why it is constant? See, if I am taking these elements, lithium is +3. So +3 means there are two inner electrons and one is valence electron. This is the case of lithium. Now, in the case of beryllium, it is +4, 2 and 2. So how many inner electrons are present in the case of beryllium? How many inner electrons are present?
Two.
Two electrons. The configuration is 2, 1, beryllium at 2, 2. Now let me take the case of carbon. Carbon means 2 and 4. Carbon means atomic number 6. तो इनर के अंदर आपके न्यूक्लियर चार्जेस से inner में आपके 2 electrons हैं, outermost there are 4 electrons. So what we can see is that number of inner electrons remains constant. Okay, so number of inner electrons is same. It is not changing. So what happens to the screening effect? It remains same because screening effect depend upon the number of inner electrons. I told you that inner electrons do not allow complete nuclear charge to reach outermost electrons. But in this case, what we are seeing is that screening effect remains same. In this case, the screening effect remains same. But what we know, screening effect is constant. And what is the nuclear charge? Nuclear charge is increasing. In the case of lithium, it is +3, beryllium, it is +4, carbon, it is +6. So with the increase in nuclear charge, this is constant and this is increasing. So what happens to the effective nuclear charge? What happens to the effective nuclear charge? Daman? Daman? What happens to the effective nuclear charge, Daman? Cannot.
Your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat?
Daman, unmute yourself.
Not when I unmute, I cannot hear your voice.
Dishita, can you tell me the reason? What happens to the effective nuclear charge? Daman, अपना connection ठीक कर लो जो भी problem है. Dishita? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dishita, can you tell me the reason? Or what happens to the effective nuclear charge on moving along a period?
The nuclear charge increases along the
Yes, the
period.
nuclear charge increases. So it means since the total nuclear charge is increasing, so what happens to the effective nuclear charge? It also increases. And what happens if the nuclear charge increases? It means that the electrons are more attracted towards the nucleus. So I am rubbing this. I hope this is clear to everyone, this portion.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain again why screening effect remains along a period, same along a period?
देखो स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट डिपेंड करता है नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन इनर शेल्स. ठीक है, अब इनका अंदर देखो, इनकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आपको सबको मालूम है ना. यू नो द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. लिथियम मींस 2 and 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Beryllium means 2 and 2. So this is N is equal to 1. So N is equal to 1 में how many electrons are there? 2. Here also 2 electrons. You can see these are the 2 electrons. Here also there are 2 electrons. Here also there are 2 electrons. So it means that screening effect is due to the presence of only 2 electrons.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना. तो यानी स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट में तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काउंट हो रहे हैं. तो स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट में तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. यहाँ पर भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. हेयर आल्सो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. हेयर आल्सो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So in the second period, even if you are going to neon means 2 and 8. So neon also there are only 2 electrons. So it means the number of inner electrons are same. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no effect of screening effect. तो screening effect तो constant है, इसमें कोई change नहीं हुआ ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So this is what I was telling you. Screening effect की value में कोई change नहीं है. But the nuclear charge is increasing. In the case of lithium, there is +3 nuclear charge. In the case of beryllium, there is +4, boron +5, +6, and so on. So, but nuclear charge is increasing.
Yes, ma'am.
So it
Yes,
means
ma'am.
screening effect का तो कोई भी role नहीं. So as the nuclear charge increases and nucleus attracts the outermost electrons. Is it okay? So this is what I was telling
ma'am.
you. With us, okay. So now I am rubbing the diagram. So now I am writing complete language further. So with the increase in effective nuclear charge, simply you can write nuclear charge also. And the valence electrons are attracted more towards the nucleus. Is it okay? Or any doubt? With the increase in effective nuclear charge, the valence electrons are attracted more towards the nucleus. So if they are attracted more towards the nucleus, so what happens to the energy? Will more energy be required or less energy will be required?
Less energy.
More energy. बेटा attraction ज्यादा है. अगर कोई चीज attraction ज्यादा है तो उसको बाहर निकालना है. क्या हमें ज्यादा पावर चाहिए ना या कम चाहिए?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
हम ज़्यादा.
Will be required. More energy means is required to remove valence electron. Okay, and ionization energy, the energy required to remove the valence electron from a isolated gaseous atom. Okay, to remove valence electron from an isolated gaseous atom, that is called as ionization energy. It should be in the form of an atom. It should be, as atom is gaseous atom, it should not be forming a bond. So it means that ionization enthalpy is generally increasing. Is this point clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I am coming to the exceptional cases. Any doubt till here, please ask, because otherwise I will be moving further. The reason generally comes for one marker, so you should be knowing your order aa jata hai. What is the order actually? Okay. Now what we are taking are the exceptional cases. Now first exceptional case is that ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. We know that ionization enthalpy increases. तो होना तो ये चाहिए था कि बेरिलियम में बोरॉन की ज्यादा होनी चाहिए थी. But what we know is that ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. What is the exact electronic configuration of beryllium? Sanket, can you tell me? Sanket, in terms of S&P configuration, what is the electronic configuration of beryllium? Sanket, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने वो क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करी थी मैम, लास्ट चैप्टर वाली.
तो अगर तुम अब क्लास अटेंड नहीं करोगे तो पूरी केमिस्ट्री में ये
मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है मैम वो वाला चैप्टर भी.
कल तक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आ जानी चाहिए. ठीक है? कोई डाउट हो यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके ऋषभ, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ बेरिलियम? ऋषभ,
मैम 2
नहीं 1s2 की हमसे बोलो. 1s2
1s2 and 2s2.
2s2. What is that of boron?
1s2 2s3.
इसमें 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं हो सकते.
सॉरी 1s2 2s2 3s1.
ये भी गलत है. इसके बाद किस में जाएंगे? 1s2 2s2 देन
मैम 3p1.
3p कैसे आ गया?
हम 1s2 2s2 2p1.
1s2 2s2 2p1. अभी मैंने 3 स्टूडेंट्स के नाम नोट किए हैं. अक्षिता, ऋषभ एंड संकेत. They need to work hard. I am noting in the copy. Okay. So in the case of boron, it is 1s2 2s2 2p1. बेटा first 4 chapters they are in the continuity. At least अगर periodic table इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं आएगी आगे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. आपको आगे भी नहीं समझ आएगा. Okay. Now out of S and P orbital, which is closer to the nucleus?
S.
S orbital.
हम S और
S.
S orbital. Very good. What we say is that ionization energy of beryllium is greater than boron. Now the reason is that because 2s orbital is more closer to the nucleus. इसको हम बोलते हैं has more penetration effect. In the generally we write more closer, but if you want to write in the scientific language, you have to write has more penetration effect. Penetration means it is more closer to the nucleus than 2p. Okay. So from which orbital more energy will be required to remove the outermost electron? From 2s or 2p?
हम 2p.
किसमें से इजीली रिमूव होगा, 2s में से या 2p में से? इजीली रिमूव किससे होगा?
मैम 2p में से इजीली रिमूव होगा।
Because
हम-
2s ऑर्बिटल तो न्यूक्लियस के ज्यादा पास है, 2p ऑर्बिटल थोड़ा सा दूर है, तो 2p में से इलेक्ट्रॉन हम इजीली रिमूव कर लेंगे।
यस मैम।
ठीक है, तो रीजन इज दैट 2s ऑर्बिटल इज मोर क्लोजर और इट has more penetration effect than 2p. So the first step, how will you write? First write down the electronic configuration and then write the reason. The reason you have to start from the electronic configuration. First write down their electronic configuration and then simply write 2s orbital is more closer than 2p, so more energy will be required to remove a 2s electron from beryllium. Is it okay? So more ionization energy will be required to remove a 2s electron from beryllium. So this is the reason why the ionization enthalpy of beryllium is more than boron. Now another exceptional case, this is the first exceptional case. Now the second exceptional case is ionization enthalpy of nitrogen is greater than oxygen. Okay, Lenoy, can you tell me the electronic configuration of nitrogen? Lenoy, unmute yourself and say yes ma'am. पहले yes ma'am बोला करो, उसके बाद question या answer करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Lenoy, what is the electronic configuration of nitrogen?
Ma'am, excellent.
Nitrogen has atomic number 7. Electrons will be entering into the p orbital. Now tell me. 7
1s square, 2s square, 2p cube,
2p3.
2p3. Yes.
Or what about the oxygen?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The topic again. I am noting your name.
Ma'am, 2p4.
2p4. Okay. How? If I have to draw the diagram, 1s means one orbital, 2s. How many p orbitals are there?
मैम 6
Ma'am, 3.
मैम 3
Sorry.
3p orbitals. थोड़ा पढ़ लेना इसको. ठीक है? 3p orbitals are there. And how the electrons will be entering into the 3p orbitals?
Ma'am, all will be singly filled.
All will be singly
Yes,
filled.
ma'am.
ठीक है ना? All will be singly filled. बेटा मैं अपनी तरफ से तो पूरी आपको जान लगा के पढ़ाती हूँ, लेकिन आप पढ़ोगे नहीं घर पे जाके तो क्या होगा? And what about the 2p4? Electrons will be
Ma'am,
in the
one
end.
total filled and 2 singly filled.
Okay. Now which is more stable? We have done a point exactly.
Nitrogen.
नाइट्रोजन
So nitrogen has more
Half
stable,
filled.
half-filled p orbitals. So if anything is highly stable, will it lose electron? This nitrogen is more stable and no one wants to disturb their stability. So since nitrogen is more stable, so more ionization energy will be required to remove one electron from exactly half-filled p orbitals. Is it okay? So in the case of nitrogen, the ionization energy of nitrogen will be more because the electronic configuration of nitrogen is very stable. And what happens to the ionization enthalpy of lithium, neon? It is exceptionally high because it has a stable configuration. It is a noble gas configuration. So in the case of neon, the ionization enthalpy will be very, very high because noble gases are highly stable. They have a complete octet of electron. Is this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there is one more exceptional case that comes from the d orbital, that is actually in more detail in class 12th. But since it is a very frequently asked in the competitive exams, so I am just taking the point. Okay. Okay, but in class 11th, these are the two exceptional cases. Ionization enthalpy of beryllium is more than boron, nitrogen is more than oxygen. Okay, now another exceptional case that sometimes comes, that is ionization enthalpy of aluminium is more than gallium. Sorry. Ionization enthalpy of aluminium is more than gallium. Now, generally, students just try to understand the concept. What is the configuration of aluminium? Atomic number 13.
Ma'am,
These are boron,
neon 3s2 3p1.
indium, and thallium. Okay. Boron, aluminium, gallium, they are down the group. What is the general trend down the group? Ionization enthalpy decreases. But I am seeing that gallium has a higher ionization enthalpy than aluminium. Okay, this is particularly valid here only. Aluminium means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p1. Okay, now gallium means, gallium is the next element. So it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then it is 3d10, 4s2, 4p1. Or you can write like this, 4s2, 3d10, 4p1. Okay, now can you see something exceptional in the case of gallium?
Ma'am, presence of d orbital.
D orbitals.
D orbitals. Okay, so in the case of gallium, due to presence of d orbitals which have a poor screening effect. सबसे ज्यादा screening effect होता है s orbitals का. I will be just telling you which has a poorer screening effect. Okay. In the case of gallium, due to the presence of d orbitals which have a very poor screening effect. So if the screening effect is less, what happens to the effective nuclear charge? What is the effective nuclear charge?
Increases.
Nuclear charge
Increases.
minus screening effect. I am saying is that screening effect is less. It means effective nuclear charge is more. Is it okay? So if the effective nuclear charge is more, means electrons are more attracted towards the nucleus. So the ionization enthalpy is more. Electrons are more attracted towards the nucleus, so they are difficult to remove the valence electrons. Okay, now this point is in the case of shielding effect or screening effect. They are the same thing, screening or shielding. Generally, we consider them as the same thing. Okay, screening or shielding effect of s orbitals का सबसे ज्यादा होता है p, d and f. So s orbitals have the maximum screening effect. Okay, so before gallium, in the case of gallium, we have the fully filled d orbitals. And due to the presence of fully filled d orbitals, they have a very poorer screening effect. So the electrons are more attracted towards the nucleus, hence the ionization enthalpy is more. So simply remember this point and try to understand. No more exceptional cases we are going to do. I have already taken extra exceptional cases. Is it okay? Now in the periodic table, now I am asking you one marker question. Yes, Any doubt you can ask?
No
Yes.
doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So now I am, since your first periodic is based on the MCQs, so I am asking you MCQ questions now. Which of the following you have to arrange in the increasing order? If I am taking is beryllium, calcium, magnesium, and strontium. A hint I am giving you, these are the group 2 elements. My question is increasing order of ionization therapy. Yes. Who is going to answer? Siddhant Sharma, can you answer? Yes, just say first yes ma'am. उसके बाद कुछ और बोला करो. Yes,
ma'am.
can you answer? Yes or no? Yes. Increasing order. What is the trend down the group? Yes. What is the trend down the group of the ionization therapy? You can read from your copy only. It decreases. Which is, what is the increasing order? Yes, Shreya, can you tell me? What is the increasing order? Shreya? Shreya? Okay, these two students, again, I am noting down the name. Alka din wait karugi, otherwise I will call you the attentive answers, ma'am, पूछे फटाफट आंसर करो.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
What is the increasing order of ionization therapy? I think my voice is not correctly. Yes, Siddharth Jain. Siddharth Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the increasing order of ionization therapy?
Ma'am, it should be, ma'am, first strontium, then calcium, then magnesium, and then beryllium.
सबसे ज्यादा किसकी होगी?
Beryllium की, ma'am.
Beryllium की. So increasing order of it. Strontium, then it is
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Magnesium.
magnesium.
Ma'am, strontium, calcium.
Strontium, calcium, magnesium, and then beryllium.
Beryllium पूछा था starting में.
Calcium and strontium. So it means it
Yes.
is decreasing. Strontium will have least and beryllium will have maximum. So these type of MCQs will come. Okay. Now, if I am taking these elements, just be careful. I told you two exceptional cases in the case of nitrogen and oxygen, beryllium and boron. Okay. Now, my question is, okay, let me give you an easier question. Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, increasing order. Yes, increasing order. Who can tell me? And Gautam Kumar. Gautam Kakkar, say yes, ma'am, and then try answering the question. Next, third one, I am asking is phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine. Now, this question is going to Drishan and Galaxy. Just think of it. Yes, second question. Be fast. Third question, I gave the question to two students, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. हाँ जी, किसको बोला था ये मैंने? Galaxy and Gautam. Say yes, ma'am. Galaxy, say yes, ma'am.
मैम मेरे को थर्ड बोला था मैम, फास्फोरस वाला.
चलो आप ये बताओ, थर्ड वन Galaxy. What should be the general trend? Yes. Galaxy आता है नहीं आता? Be fast in your responses.
मैम नहीं आता मैम।
क्यों सबसे ज्यादा किसकी होती है? What is the trend down along a period? अगर मैं पीरियड में ऐसे मूव करती हूँ तो what is the trend along a period? कॉपी में देखो what is the trend along a period? बेटा कॉपी में तो लिखा हुआ है ना trend along a period. इंक्रीज होती है डिक्रीज होती है?
मैम डिक्रीज।
बेटा तुमने कॉपी में नोट किया है गैलेक्सी? मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो व्हाट्सएप पे। I don't think you are noting down anything in the copy. Yes, Gautam Kakkad. What is the trend along a period? On moving from left to right? Gautam Kakkad.
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, please repeat the question, ma'am, once.
मैं 3 बार क्वेश्चन पूछ चुकी हूँ, उसके बाद यानी तुम सो रहे थे?
No, ma'am.
फिर?
Skip.
I am
Ma'am.
asking you what is the trend along a period? तुम दोनों के मैंने नाम सर्कल कर लिए हैं।
Ma'am,
Yes,
it increases. Ma'am, it increases.
it increases. तो बेटा जब मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ तुम्हारा नाम बोल चुकी थी कि तुम बताओगे, तो दोबारा क्यों पूछने की जरूरत है क्वेश्चन? Now we should be having the highest. Is there any exceptional case?
No, ma'am.
Why no? Phosphorus की देखो 3s2 3p3 exactly half filled p orbitals. तो क्लोरीन की सबसे ज्यादा होगी सल्फर and then it will be phosphorus. Okay. Now what is in this case? ये किसको दिया था मैंने? और बेटा मैं एक दिन और नोट कर रही हूँ। आज एक बच्चे को तो मैंने बोल ही दिया कि पेरेंट्स को कॉल करा दे, अदरवाइज मैं सबके पेरेंट्स से बात करूंगी if you are not responding in the class. Yes, what is the trend here?
Ma'am, oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, neon.
Oxygen.
Neon, oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen.
Yes, it will be like that. This is the trend. Okay.
Neon should be the highest.
We have done the ionization enthalpy. और बेटा इतना धीरे धीरे तो फिर ऐसे तो तुम्हारा चैप्टर कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा। ठीक है, तो मैं भी क्विज करा रही हूँ, लेकिन आगे से आई हैव टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड, तो मैं वैसे ही लूंगी। और सेकंड थिंग, मैं दोबारा इन स्टूडेंट्स को वार्न कर रही हूँ, अक्षिता 5 o'clock के बाद फादर का फोन आ जाना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट गैलेक्सी, गौतम, तुम्हारा दोनों का नाम नोट हो गया, लिनॉय, ऋषभ, संकेत, श्रेया एंड सिद्धांत शर्मा। आज के लिए इतने नाम नोट किए। कल अगर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं हुआ तो आई विल कॉल योर पेरेंट्स।
मैम मेरे से तो आपने पूछा ही नहीं।
किससे नहीं पूछा? चलो अभी पूछती हूँ, किससे नहीं पूछा?
और मैम मेरे को तो लास्ट चैप्टर करने के लिए बोला है ना।
हाँ, नाम बोलो फटाफट, अभी पूछ रही हूँ मैं। क्या नाम है अभी? अच्छा चलो तुम बताओ, यही बताओ, इनमें से बताओ, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, किसकी सबसे ज्यादा होगी? Which will be having the highest ionization enthalpy? तुम ही बताओगे। Now I have asked a question and your name is being noted. Okay, who can tell me neon, argon, krypton?
Ma'am, krypton will be the highest.
Krypton.
Neon will be the highest.
Ma'am, neon will be the highest.
Neon.
Okay, down the group it decreases. Okay, neon will be the highest.
Enthalpy decreases, and in fact, ये आपका एक और exception question आगे. Someone has asked me also, if I am taking further xenon. So these are the elements: xenon, krypton, argon, and neon. So out of these, which is having the lowest ionization enthalpy?
Xenon.
Actually, noble gases have very high ionization enthalpy, but the ionization energy of xenon is comparatively smaller among all these. It's comparatively smaller among noble gases. It is quite high. But if I am comparing the other noble gases, then the ionization enthalpy of xenon is comparatively smaller. Hence, xenon can form compounds. This someone has asked me, and I told that I will be explaining later on, can form compounds. Like few compounds of XeF2, XeF4, they exist. So in certain cases, particularly with oxygen and fluorine, xenon can form compounds, whereas neon and argon cannot form any compound. Noble gases do not form bonds, but xenon, because of its comparatively smaller ionization enthalpy, it can form compounds. Okay? Yes, you can start now the quiz. Time will be 30 seconds and I am noting down the marks of every student.